It wasn't changing color, so we changed it. Ooh. How can I make it change? Oh, there it is. One click only and it will change color. So to make it steady, you'll click one more, and then all depends on what the color you like. Pretty.
Subscribe, like, and share. Super Senior.
So I am hot right now because I just got out of a hot bath. I use lemon and lavender and tea tree essential oils for my bath tonight, because I found out that this is what it needs for what I need for cough and cold bath. So that is what I use, essential oils. So I'm into essential oils, and I'm diffusing also. And what I diffuse is frankincense, peppermint, and lemon. So tonight, I'm gonna add the lavender to my blend on the diffuser because of the healing properties. And of course, tea tree oil is antibacterial. Now, for diffusing, I'm gonna use frankincense. I will put 5 drops of each. Lemon. Peppermint. Oops, put already. So lavender. I put more lavender because it's nighttime. I gotta go to sleep. And tea tree. This is have antibacterial properties. This is all for cough and colds treatment. So cover it, and I will put it on 6 hours or continuous on, and then see the light here. The light is changing color. It can be steady in one direction on one color only. There you go. There's the beauty of it. This is gonna be good, calming routine. Alrighty, so that's it for tonight, people. I hope you like this video, and I hope it helped you get a little tip